Square. We think smarter to simplify your life at work.
Using proper lockout tagout, Mike and Tim are ready for the maintenance of another machinery today. What could possibly go wrong when you have shut down the machine and locked it out to prevent its startup? But is electricity the only source of energy? Consider all the energy sources of machinery as a potential hazard. And remember to isolate all of them and also make sure to release the stored energies if there's any. Your awareness can save many lives at work. Isolate all hazardous energy sources and make sure to release the stored energies. Your awareness can save many lives at work.